friends, this is another interesting time with ACS Online Maths tutorial. In today's video, we'll be looking at a topic on the board, trigonometry. Now, what is a trigonometry? Trigonometry means the relationship between the angles and the side of the triangle. Now, in trigonometry, there are some key rules that you need to observe, and that is sine rule and cosine rule. Now, in sine rule, for you to use sine rule to solve any problem, one of the dimensions needs to be complete. Look at the question. You are given to find the remaining angles, that is here and here. And you are given here. Now this angle is complete. Look at this angle has a corresponding side complete. So that means sine rule can be applied because one of the sides dimensions rather is complete. In a situation whereby this side is not given and we are only given this angle, we cannot apply sine rule because no dimension is complete. So but thank God we can apply sine rule here because they gave us angle and they gave us also side. Now applying sine rule, what do? We just say what? A sine A equals this side that is given, C sine C. Now, why I chose C sine C is because if you look at this thing, it is C that is given. It is this C that has angle and dimension. That's why I didn't choose B sine B, because this side is not given, the angle is not given. I first chose this one. Let us use this one and solve. Now what are we going to do? Now we say what? That A is what? 17.5. We just say 12.5. And sine A is not given. That's what we are finding. Sine A equals what? C is 17.7. That is 17.7 divided by sine what? C. This C is what? 116. Sine 116. Now at this point, what do? You just cross multiply. This one will be multiplying this, and this one will be multiplying this. Now that will be what? 12 point what? Or you can say what? 17 sine A equals 12.5 sine 116. Now at this point, what do? You just divide both sides by the coefficient of sine A. That will be 17.7. Then sine A will be equals to what? 12.5 sine 116 divided by 17.7. Now you just bring your calculator. You press what? 12.5 sine 116 will give us what? Will give us 11.2343 divided by 17.7. At this point, what do? We use 17.7 to divide the numerator. That will give us sine A equals what? 0.6347 in 4 decimal places. Now, what do we do next? We just find the sine inverse of this thing. The sine inverse of this will be A equals sine inverse of 0.6347. Use your calculator again. Just press shift sine. It will give us that A equals what? 39.4 degrees. Now at this point, what do? We have already found A. If you follow me through to the middle of this video, thank you for doing so. I hope you enjoyed it. I would like you to do me one favor. This is just a new channel. and I would like you to encourage me make more video by subscribing to this my channel, so that anytime I release a new video, you can see it firsthand, and also it is a way of encouraging me to make more video. Thank you. Okay, let's continue with the second part. We have not solved the B part. I just solved this one. Now this one is 39.4 degrees. Now to get this part, instead of us applying sine rule again in finding here, or applying any rule, we cannot even apply sine rule because this B is not given. So there's no way it will work in applying sine rule in getting here. For example, if you say, let's apply sine rule, you say now something like A sine A equals B sine B. You know it will not work. Why? Because we know A as 12.5 and we know this angle as 39. But here, we don't know this side and we don't know this angle. There is no way you can solve two unknowns in one equation. That makes it invalid applying sine rule in finding this angle. What are we going to do? We follow another method. What do? What we're going to do now is to just, this is a triangle ABC. So what we're going to do is to just say what? We're going to find the sum of angle in a triangle. We know that 39.4 plus 116 plus this angle B is equal to 180. The reason is what? Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. What do we do then? We just add this. 39.4 plus 116. We have 155.4 equal plus B equals 180. Then you collect like terms. Then B equals 180. This will cross the sign of equation. It will move to this side. Minus 155.4. B is equal to, just say 180 minus 155.4. You will get the answer. That will give me what? 24.6. If you had followed me through to this point, thank you very much. This is ACS online maths tutorial. Just like I said before, you help me subscribe to this channel, and also if there is any contribution you want to make in the comment section, do well to drop your comments. In my convenient time, I'll try my best to go through it. Thank you very much.